Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my favorite DBZ games that were released on the PS3. I know there's like 2 more that's on the PS3, but I'm only doing the ones that were my favorite on the PS3. I had these for years, bought them when they first came out on a release week. As you can see, for the Ultimate Tenkaichi, it's new, but due to the age, the label's kind of beat up. But I remember I bought it around the time when it first got released. I still remember clear as day. I just got out of school, went straight to the mall. Went to Liz, picked up some couple snapbacks, which was popular at the time, and some fitteds. Went straight to GameStop and picked that up. Still remember all the clear as day, so it was fun. But, fun times. Now, due to having GameStop labels on the cases, I'm going to put the artwork cover on the side in the videos beside them so you can see the full artwork on the cases. I'm only going to have it for about 3 seconds. You can pause the video to see. I know some don't mind, but I had some people in the past, my videos complain about my unboxing with labels on them. Because people nowadays are picky and complain about every little thing they see on videos. But let's get into it. Hope you guys enjoy this. Check out my channel for more DBZ videos that I have. And enjoy. See you guys around.
Go back 日の夜の夕暇はもうないのさボルテージは焼き付いただけ正面から行けば No やばいし打たれて立ち上がり君を変われやめそうやった Now 奇跡の炎よ燃え上がれよ大いなる進化へと今進め済ませば聞こえるだろうよはそう道なる